Oh, fucking are you mad?
Oh, Edward, stop!
Because you fucking dumbo.
Edward, will you stop it? What the hell? What is he doing?
What is he doing?
Oh my God. Jesus, Edward, stop it.
Smash his fucking head in.
Molly's asleep.
Some fucking I'm gonna brick his fucking car.
Molly's asleep.
Yeah, mate. What do you mean? Don't get money to see. Tell the he's fucking revving his fucking
I will
shit
go out and
box.
speak to him. Right.
No, you won't.